water and moving east at 30 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near eastward around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Millard, Long Range, Tippett, Bells Corners, and Troy Center. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder,